This is a set. Sets cannot hold mutable items. We cannot index or slice them. We can discard or remove items from a set, and we can add them back. Take three sets, set 1, set 2 and set 3. If we union set 2 and set 3 on set 1, we have all the values from the 3. Let's do some problems on sets. The commons. Write a function that takes two lists and from that gets the values common in the two lists. Do this without making an intersection on the two sets. So this function takes two lists. It uses list comprehension to get numbers from list 2 that are also in list 1. It then converts this into a set and returns it. So this one gives us an empty set because there are no common items. This one gives us the set 2, 4. And this one gives us the set 8, 2, 4. Subscribers. Write a function that takes in the IDs of the people who subscribe to Netflix and of those who subscribe to Hotstar. Make it return the number of people that have at least one subscription. This function takes in lists Netflix and Hotstar, then converts them into sets, performs a union, and returns the length of the result. Here, Netflix and Hotstar have two common customers. We have 13 people who are subscribed to at least one service.